Get it off of you. Okay.
What? Oh!
Ooh. Ooh.
Parkour! Oh! Oh. Hi, how you doing?
They're really stupid. They don't know how to catch in the car, and the person goes and
What are you doing? Oh my goodness. No, they are my chicken.
Ow!
They're my Cheetos! What are you doing? From the basement?
Why wouldn't you lift your face above?
Do it.
Нормально.
No. Don't do that. This is my cat, Mimi. She loves me.
What can I get for you?
Get. Excuse me, George.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Fazendo pra mim.
Don't do that.
Oh, it's cold. No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
Ooh.
Nous, quand il y avait plusieurs enfants, quand il y avait 7 enfants, on mettait jusqu'à 1000, 1200 euros de course par mois.
Oh no!
My Cheetos! What are you doing? Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus!
Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no!
Look at him.
Watch, I've been doing this to her for like 10 minutes.
She's happy for me. She's happy for me.
Making sure that the world is well known that it is her and her alone.
Sound.
That's a big one. Oh. What's up?
Time until I found out.
Should I get a dog?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
She was a fairy.
It's you!
Hey. Okay.
Oh.
Meow. It's the second I get a... Oh.
This movie.
Biscuits, biscuits, it's time to make biscuits.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Et voici une opportunité de se nourrir ainsi.
Alright.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
Hey, what are you doing? What? What are you doing?
Did you just do that by himself?
Yeah.
Oh.
him that much. Hoppy!
Да, это немножко не то. Вот здесь. Спасибо.
Para, filha da puta, de arranhar meu sofá, desgraçado.
No! No! This macaroni turns one. Ow.
Yeah.
I just think she's scared of being abandoned.
Catnip. Was it you?
You want food?
Lay it down.
I was recording my cat's reaction to my mum brushing her teeth.
But can I help you? No, I'm trying to poop.
Nay đây.
Can I have my noodles?
Let me.